In part 3, we're going to work with the dot past, and you'll mostly use the dot past when saying I realized. If you think about it, it's like you were going, and then all of a sudden you realized. That's a very specific dot, right? It's an event, a point in the past. So typically you'll use this dot past for expressing I realized more than you will the line past. Now let's try to work through it. First of all, we need to know, how would you say I gave? That's simply di. Di is I gave. Now make it reflexive. Me di. Literally, I gave myself. And now you add cuenta. So how would you say I realized? Me di cuenta. I gave myself account. Now let's take it one step further and add in another pronoun. How would you say I realized it? Me lo di cuenta. Here we have two pronouns, so we get this me lo, te lo, se lo, nos lo again, but it's in a different place because we're no longer now using a handle, so it all gets thrown up front here. So me lo di cuenta is I realized it. It almost sounds like the word melody in English. Melody, me lo di cuenta. How would you say you gave? Diste. Now try to make the leap into you realized. Te diste cuenta. You gave yourself account. Te diste cuenta. Now you realized it. Te lo diste cuenta. How would you ask? Did you realize it? Te lo diste cuenta? When did you realize it? ¿Cuándo te lo diste cuenta? What is he, she, or it gave? Dio. Dio. Try to make the leap now into she realized. Se dio cuenta. Here we have the reflexive part, se. So it's literally she gave herself account. Se dio cuenta. She realized. What about she realized it? Se lo dio cuenta. She didn't realize it. No se lo dio cuenta. How would you say we gave? Dimos. We realized. Nos dimos cuenta. We realized it. Nos lo dimos cuenta. We realized it with time. Nos lo dimos cuenta con tiempo. How would you say they gave? Dieron. They realized. Se dieron cuenta. Here you see, for I realized, we make it reflexive. So it goes from dieron to se dieron. They gave themselves, se dieron, and then you simply tag on cuenta. Se dieron cuenta, they realized. How would you say, finally, they realized the truth about her? Finalmente, se dieron cuenta sobre ella or de ella. Remember, we have two choices here, sobre or de. So either finalmente se dieron cuenta sobre ella or finalmente se dieron cuenta de ella.